Paul is a humble man in his 50s, willing to help the community, even if he's not in a good health condition himself. 2 nights before Christmas, he lost everything he owned when his houseboat went on fire. Now it's time to help him back. Local resident Jackie Dowen didn't wait a single day before starting a GoFundMe campaign to help Paul.
Look down and see like the boat next to mine, the engine bay on fire, and they was trying to put it out. The fire brigade arrived, and started to put hoses on it. It was just, it was a comedy show with them, to be honest, because they just took so long to get to it. The wind changed direction, and went straight up my boat, blew the flame straight up my boat. So when the fire brigade arrived, my boat wasn't on fire. And then basically I just got to watch it burn and eventually sink, because of the water they were pumping at it. And that was it, really. It's hard to stand and watch what you have, all go up in flames and then end up at the bottom of the marina.
And it was a complete accident, wasn't it?
It can be nothing more than an electrical short. I mean, where you've got electrics and you've got water, there's always potential. So, I mean, it's a very corrosive environment as well. The salt water will attack cables quicker than what fresh water will. And I mean, as far as I can tell, there's no other reason for it than an electrical short through damp.
Was that the only accommodation you had?
Yes. I was staying on there just over a year. It's not a lot, it's not an expensive boat or anything like that, but it was comfortable. It was mine. Well, whilst the boat was actually on fire, I was talking to a nice lady, Jackie, down here, and she asked if she could set up a GoFundMe page, which she did, and so far it's raised, I think, about £1,200, and that, which was very helpful, because I got the first payment the other day, and I was feeling a bit under the weather at the time. It's amazing what people are doing, and giving, and that is, I find it hard. I find it very hard still.
Are you looking for another boat now?
I'm not even sure.
This is Uli Ranieri for Latest TV News.